had the EDJY nail clippers for just about a year now, and now they have an EDJY 2.0. Saw that, ordered a pair, let's check them out. It ships in their little bag, EDJY on it. When I filmed it a year ago, I didn't understand it was EDJY. I said EDJY. And then I'm looking at it, I'm like, EDJY is edgy. How fun. Problem solved. EDJY 2.0 fingernail clippers. They still don't have toenail ones. Single blade clipper. I've been in love with the other pair. I really have. And I held off on clipping my nails just to film this, so I'm ready. I'm ready to go. Comes in 4 different colors. I got the navy ones. Now, part of the appeal is there's a new case that goes around it. This one, I mean, you get used to it, but it's not the best. Let's see. Oh, my nails thank me. And since I got this other one, I've learned in my video I did, I was doing it wrong. I had to kind of rethink my mentality around clipping my nails. There's the 1 versus the 2. As you can see, totally different case on the outside. But the 1, you would pull that off. 2, I guess it seems similar enough, just not as confusing maybe. You just grip it there and voila, we have 2. I'm gonna have to go look at the website there to see exactly what's different, but these look identical. I was under the impression that it was somehow upgraded or different. But, it's supposed to be easier to use with new high-precision molds. AI-assisted computer vision system to ensure every product, blah, blah, blah. Give me a break. The cap was a big deal. And the stainless steel blade is coated with a new ceramic process to ensure it doesn't rust. All right, great product. No need to truly reinvent the wheel. So with traditional nail clippers, I would get in there and you break it. You're pinching the nail, it breaks off. But I'd get really in there. With this one, you can be more delicate. So you get just a little bit in, and you start trimming around to get it cut exactly how you want it. And it's easier to do when you're not trying to do it on camera. If you get too close, you start pinching where you get a little too short. But you get this nice, smooth nail. I don't have to file it down. It's not sharp. It's nice and smooth. I love these clippers. And the cool thing is it collects the clippings in the little clipper here in a little area. Some of them do fly off. It's not perfect. So you gotta kind of keep track of that. But then when you're done, you just dump them out and you go toss them. Did I need the 2 over the original? No, I guess not a chance at all. But I can go put this in my travel bag and I got a set for home. Perfect. EDJY 2.0, bunch of different colors. Link in my description if you want to go check it out. I don't know if it's going to be their website or Amazon or where else you can buy these, but I'm a fan.